Second Timothy 3 and verse 1 to 6. This know also, that in the last days perilous times shall come, which is already here. For men shall be lovers of their own self, covetous, boasters, proud, blasphemers, disobedient to parents, unthankful, and unholy. Left, right, and center. Now appear boasters, I see. And I got them a boast about material things that we are going to live here on earth. Without natural affection, truce breakers, false accusers, incontinent, fierce, despisers of those that are good. Find you good, nobody not like you. Everybody know. Find you good, then despise you. Hate you. Traitors, Eddie, high-minded, lovers of pleasure more than lovers of God. People are the one God nowadays is only when them sick, when them can't find food, when them need something, then call upon God. Nobody don't want God. Everything is about pleasure, show off, boastful for things on the earth that we are going to live here when we depart in this earth. It's not like you can pack one suitcase or one bag and say I go carry it with you when you go. All the way you accumulate up here like ants, you have to leave it here. You cannot take nothing with you. So why you kill off people? Why you bad mind people? Over things where you can't take out of this world, you have to leave it here. Somebody build one house, maybe they build it on your land. You bad mind them, you wicked them, and you rob them because you want the house. Let me give them and take it and go on. Because at the end of the day, when them are depart this earth, they have to left it there for somebody else. So if they feel comfortable living in it alone by themselves, let them stay in there. And you find somewhere and go pay rent or somewhere go. And make them stay and the Lord will make a way. God always make a way. Because some of us don't give God as much credit. That's why we think say God now go help we and God now go come through for we. Having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. From such turn away. You see? So they have a form of godliness, But when it come down to the nitty-gritty of believing in what God can do, no, them not believe. Them believe in themselves or what people is saying. For this sort are they which creep into houses and lead captive silly women laden with sins, led away with divers lusts. So you have some people where their mind easy for sway. Them the one they will lead astray. Ever learning and never able to come to the knowledge of the truth. So you see, Timothy is reminding us of what is going to come in this time. But it is already here. The boasting take over more than all. Left, right, and center. And I know nothing. Them a boast over about God. It's pure material things. I said. For what? We cannot take nothing out of this world. Mm? And the things that are important, we shove it aside. Family. Family is very important. Your brothers and sisters, mothers and father, auntie, uncle, your whole line of relatives. It is important because at the end of the day, you're going to need real people to pass water, give you drink. Real people to do this for you. Real people to do that for you. Mm? Sometimes you have your money and the Bible says money answereth all call. Mm? But you have your money and nobody now wants to see you because you're arrogant. Mm? You don't know how to deal with people. So don't forget about what Timothy is saying to us. And let we do the right thing.